7 new fun and easy fall and Halloween Zoom games for large groups happens right now. Hello friends, I'm ShawnMHowell. Welcome to my channel. Join me on my mission to bring back family fun. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give it a like, and share it with a friend who you know is throwing a fall or Halloween party on Zoom. The first game is called How Many? The Zoom host will say, how many in this group have a pumpkin in their house? Or how many in this group have already picked out their Halloween costume? Players will simply raise their hand if they fit into that category. What's behind the pumpkin? This game is great for children. You could use a real pumpkin, or I found this really cute wooden pumpkin at my local Dollar Tree. Hide an animal or a book or an object behind the pumpkin and players guess what it is. I'm a pumpkin too. The Zoom host will prepare 5 to 7 items to show to the group. These could be random items you find around your house or fall or Halloween specific. The Zoom host will show an item and pick a random person to say, this pumpkin is me because, or this pumpkin is not me because. Skeleton scavenger hunt. I found this skeleton at my local Dollar Tree and I took it apart to play this game. Hide the pieces around your space. Use your phone camera as a secondary person on Zoom. Show your room area. And when players see a piece of the skeleton, they will write it down on a sheet of paper where they see it. I see a piece of the skeleton on the side table. I see a piece of the skeleton on the floor. And at the end, everybody will show their piece of paper and whoever has found all of the pieces of the skeleton wins the game. You could have multiple winners for this game. Halloween mask. I don't know why I said it like that. The Zoom host will prepare a list of 10 to 12 phrases before playing this game. For example, Frankenstein likes to dance only on Mondays. Or bats with rainbow wings listen to carnival music. Divide players into 2 teams. The Zoom host chooses which team goes first. Then the Zoom host will private message one player on team 1 the secret Halloween message, and that player will put on their face mask. They have only one chance to say the phrase to their teammates with the mask on. Teammates have 2 to 3 minutes to discuss and decide what the phrase was. If they get it correct, they get a point. If they get it incorrect, team 2 gets a chance to steal the point if they guess the phrase correctly. Round 2 moves on to team 2. Play all team rounds to determine a winning team. Everything Halloween. Every player will need a piece of paper and a pen. The Zoom host will set a timer for 30 seconds. Players have 30 seconds to write down as many Halloween items as they can. At the end of 30 seconds, the Zoom host will say, pens down, and everyone counts their number of items. The player with the most items wins. If there is a tie, play again, but have players write down Halloween movies or Halloween song titles. Halloween search and find. The Zoom host will show an image with numbers on it. Players have 30 seconds to find all the numbers before the Zoom host removes the image. Players then add up the sum of the numbers and write on a piece of paper the sum. The Zoom host will then say, show the sum. Players with the correct answer win. This game would be great for children just learning how to add, or you can make it more challenging for adults by increasing the numbers. If you need some free Halloween virtual backgrounds, head on over to my website and get your free digital download. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.